you the target of a defamatory video, live stream, or comment on YouTube and are feeling the pain from these false accusations? By the end of this video, you will learn what your legal options are to get a defamatory video taken down and fight back against online defamation. Hi, I'm Susan Jacobson, an attorney here at Mink Law, the nation's leading law firm when it comes to dealing with online defamation and harassment. YouTube has become one of the top social media platforms in the world and was designed to provide people access to videos on every topic under the sun. Unfortunately, it has also become a tool for people to destroy the reputations of others. When this happens and someone defames you or your business on YouTube, it is important to act quickly. In this video, I'm going to lay out the steps you can take to fight back against defamation on YouTube so that you can confront it head-on. You will also learn what defamation is and common examples of defamation on YouTube. Before we jump into how to remove defamatory videos, let's make sure we have a clear understanding of what defamation and slander is and what it isn't. Defamation is a false statement of fact that is communicated to a third party that causes damages to another's reputation. Defamation is broken into two distinct types: slander, which is spoken defamation, and libel, which is written defamation. YouTube is a unique platform that opens the door for both libel and slander to occur simultaneously due to the combination of video, live streams, and comments. If you've been defamed or received other abusive comments, there are 3 things you can do to get it down. 1. Identify the person behind the account and get them to remove the video. 2. Report the video for abuse to YouTube. 3. File a lawsuit. In most instances, you will be able to access an email address for the person who published the video in the About tab on the profile page. YouTube may require you to verify that you are not a robot to obtain the email address. Once the verification is complete, YouTube will display the user's email address associated with their account. Oftentimes, the person responsible will provide contact information outside of YouTube, have independent websites or other social media accounts, or you will already know their identity through past interactions. This will allow us to establish direct contact with this person. There are many ways to contact someone who has posted defamatory content about you on YouTube. The approach for contacting the author of the video varies in each instance. For example, if you are fully committed to engaging in litigation, a stronger approach may be warranted. If you are unsure of litigation, a more cordial approach may be more productive. It's important to tailor the approach to fit the situation. The wrong approach can lead to negative consequences, including encouraging the author to publish additional videos, further spreading the defamatory content. If contacting the publisher of the video is not successful, or if you are unable to reach the person, the next step is to try to report the content to YouTube for removal. It's important to note that Google owns YouTube, so the links to the reporting forms will be through Google. YouTube has several different categories to report defamatory content, including harassment, privacy violations, copyright violations, and defamation. There are 2 ways to report a video or comments for abuse on YouTube. 1. You can submit a complaint form through the abuse portal. However, only non-US citizens can use the portal to report defamation. US citizens can report videos for other forms of abuse. And 2, you can flag the video directly on the page. If you are located in the US and the only complaints are defamation, then it will be necessary to take more aggressive legal action. Due to legal protections afforded by Section 230, YouTube will not usually play referee when it comes to determining if content is defamatory. So please keep in mind that removal of a video or a user being banned from YouTube is rare when the content is not clearly in violation of YouTube's rules. Generally, YouTube doesn't remove alleged defamation unless it is egregious and obvious. If contacting the poster doesn't work and YouTube declines to remove the video for violations, the only remaining step is legal action. The best way to be successful in your legal action is working with an experienced attorney who can pursue legal remedies against the author or account of the video by 1. Sending a cease and desist letter, or 2. Filing a defamation lawsuit to obtain a court order to remove the content. If the identity of the poster is known, sending a demand letter is a great way to get them to stop their unlawful behavior or remove the content. A demand letter puts the poster on legal notice that a lawsuit may be filed if they don't follow demands. This is often an effective and cost-efficient method. If the demand letter doesn't work, or if it is not appropriate for the situation, filing a lawsuit to obtain a court order to remove the content and stop the conduct from continuing may be the next step. You can file a lawsuit against the poster directly if you know their identity, or you can file a John Doe lawsuit for anonymous posters where you uncover the person's identity, then pursue a lawsuit against them directly. Once their identity is unmasked based on data received in response to any subpoenas issued, the complaint can then be amended to include the specific individual. A legal team experienced with YouTube and social media defamation can help you collect and preserve evidence, navigate reporting procedures, and contact moderators on your behalf. Here at Mink Law, we are a single point of contact for everything regarding defamation on YouTube. We have extensive experience removing defamatory content from social media websites, including YouTube, platforms, and apps, and holding individuals who publish this content accountable for their actions. An experienced team of internet defamation lawyers can offer help that may be beyond the capacity of a solo attorney. Complex defamation cases may require a tech-savvy team to help you identify anonymous defamers, implement suppression techniques, and get the content removed all in one place. Call us for a free consult at 216-373-7706 or head over to minklaw.com and submit a contact form.